So you want to take the door handle off. This is how you do it. This weather strip is shot, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that off first. So that's all you have to do to take that off. Alright, first thing is to take out this pin right here. Just tap it up. And there's the pin. There's a wire going into the door here that you have to take off before you take the door out. Pull this plug out right here, and it's wires for the mirror. Stick the screwdriver in here, and then pry that should come out of there. There we go. Now that's loose. Okay, now I have the front fender off. So these bolts are going to be real easy to get to. And just go ahead and take these 4 bolts out. Size 12 socket. Should be able to lift the whole door out. Open it up, get a good grip. And the whole door comes out. First, I just need a Phillips head screwdriver to take off this door handle. And there's the door handle. Now I have one screw in the slide forward a little bit, and then it pops out, and it has a little arm attached to it. It just snaps, the plastic thing snaps over the arm there, so use my screwdriver and pop that out. There we go. Now the little metal bar will slide out. The bar goes, this little metal rod right here slides in there, and then this snaps over it. Now to take the window roller off, you just take a piece of cloth or something, and then there's a clip on there, and you need to catch the clip on the cloth, and sometimes it comes flying out. There's the clip. And then this slides off. So you get close to the snaps, and then they'll pop out real easy without breaking or tearing anything. And the panel comes off. You can see all those snaps on there. Just going to take the corner just enough to get at the door handle. The yellow clip right there come off. Oh, I got it with my finger. This white one right here, got that one with my finger too. So just slide that open, slide that out. Okay, then I have 2 size 10 nuts in there. Just 2 nuts. Alright, I'm going to slide the key in so I can turn that. There we go. And you got to kind of wiggle it around. There we go. And it slides out. So I had it turned that way. And there's the door handle. Peel that back a little bit. Okay, see a plug right here. Grab that and pull it out. There we go. Pop that up. And now I just need the nuts out. If you need to take this weather strip off, it's fastened to the door with these little pins. So just pull a little bit one way and it slides off, then pull it off the other side. See that? Pull it like that It just comes right off, super easy.